Good morning, everyone. My name is DAR Wong, and I am a veteran market investor for the last 30 over years. Welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, we shall share with you one very important market opinion, and it could be a stock market, it could be a CFD, it could be an FX or options, or it can be just any commodity that come from any part of the world. So don't forget to log on to us on every Monday morning. Watch us, and all you need is just 10 minutes. Stay tuned, and I shall be right back. Alright, what time is it? What time is it? And what time is it? If you are still thinking this is a long time or a short time, well, just stay tuned with us for 10 minutes. And OTOP 143 for date 29 May year 2023 welcomes you to come back to our family and join us. Alright, happy Monday morning once again. Welcome back to the OTOP series, and this is the episode 143. Right, DW World Equity Time. Well, as usual, 10 minutes very quickly. We're going to share with you on a Monday morning what you're going to look at this week, which may bring you some good market news and market profit. Well, very quickly, let's do a quick revision on last Friday closing. Alright, the whole of last week in US, the semiconductor shares went up. Alright, being led by NVIDIA, ASML, and TSMC as well. Alright, but on the overall market, sentiment was quite bearish because the US is still unresolved on the debt ceiling negotiation within the two parties in the US Congress. And on Friday news, alright, what we see here is the Treasury Janet Yellen, right, says it could run out of funds on the 5th June, buying time for debt ceiling talks. Alright, well, I think the outcome is either is a suspension or the debt ceiling will be raised. But in any case, I think before that, US dollar index could be a little bit strong because people are panic, okay, starting to sell the US bonds, which caused the yields to increase a little bit, and the increasing yield actually buffer up the dollar strength. So on the average, on the currency market, we are looking at dollar yen higher, euro USD lower, and pound USD to be lower. Well, another news here that says that the US recession will be a good news for markets. Okay, some strategists comment, and that's true because everybody has been getting sick of inflation. Right, the US Federal Reserve has been raising rates 10 times in a row since last year, 2022, 7 times, and this year 3 times. Alright, the next FOMC will be coming again sometimes in June, mid-June, 13, 14, and well, whether there'll be another rate hike, no one knows until we see the outcome of the debt ceiling in early June. Well, very quickly, let's revise on last week. Alright, last week we had the OTOP 142, and we are talking about this counter trading in China. Alright, the Hubei Tech Semiconductors, the Chinese semiconductor company, and the stock code was 3046, 300046. Well, if you had picked out some of these stocks, well, it didn't move much. As you see here on the last 5 days, market sank a little bit and recovered back on Friday. Closing price was 17.92 Chinese RMB. Well, not too bad. If you are still holding it, the recommendation is a hold. Alright, is a hold, and you could actually be holding on these stocks for another 1 week to see where it's going, and likely there is still a little bit of chance, okay, to see a little bit of the room top side where you can exit for profit. Okay, this week, as we mentioned earlier, we are looking at the US dollar to be firm. Okay, whether it will go up higher or may just stay firm. As you see here, the US dollar index, right, once again is going back up to 104.15 closing price on Friday, which pushed the spot gold market prices down. Alright, so dollar strengthening or staying firm at least on the top side for another 1 week before the debt ceiling is resolved. What we are looking here is perhaps going back to some financial companies, well, especially US companies, right? Let's take a look in Hong Kong stocks this week for the OTOP 143, dated here as today, okay, 29 May year 2023. Let's take a look at Hong Kong stocks, and this is the counter. Hong Kong, where are you? 1299 AIA. All right, AIA. Well, AIA Group, of course, we know is a US company, and this multi-listing in Hong Kong. Okay, we look at here. Well, the dividend was just paid out at $1.13 Hong Kong dollars, right? Based on May 23 last week. Well, closing price on Friday was 76.5 Hong Kong dollars. As we look here, okay, there is a support, all right, in this region, 1 time, 2 times, and coming 3 times around about 75 to 76 Hong Kong dollars. And this week, well, we recommend that these stocks could be a good pickup, but for the small term, for the short time and a small time recovery and a technical recovery. All right, if this day chart here, if you look at a 4-hour chart, you may be more convinced, right here, the previous bottom here, and we should be very near to that 75 before it bounces up, or even from this current 76.5 closing price on last Friday. All right, when this counter rebounds and move up, we would think $80, 80 Hong Kong dollars is a target for recovery, and all of you could take a look at this, right? Not too much, but quite a possible stocks for quick profit. All right, so 143 OTOP on a Monday morning, 29 May year 2023, right? We are here, right here, talking about 1299 stock code, which is the AIA Group listing in Hong Kong. Stay tuned every Monday morning, come back, and we shall continue to share more market opinions to you. All right, stay tuned. Next week, I shall be back.